discussed in last class. I hope everyone remembered what we discussed in last class. Come on, how to deal with the date values, right? Hmm. Tell me, guys. In Oracle, what are the data types we are having? Oracle database software, date and timestamp, right? Date will allow only date values. Timestamp will allow both date and time values. Everyone got it? Hmm. Okay, advanced Java here, NTAJ 415. Okay, not 415, 414. JDBC, working with date values. Working with the date values. As part of that discussion, what we discussed, guys? Okay. How to insert date values, for that one, some conversions I have given or not given. So shall we concentrate on time, guys? Shall we concentrate on time values now? Okay. Today's date is what, my dear? 19th, right? Working with date time values. Okay. Working with the time values. File open. Working with I would like to rename the file. Working with date comma time values. Suparna boss. Okay. Now listen. Okay. By working with time values. Okay. Shall we go for it now? Okay. Java.sql.time object. Time object holds only time values. Whereas java.sql.timestamp object holds both date and time values. Understanding my statement, guys? Both date and time values. Clear, guys? Okay. Standard procedure to insert time comma timestamp values to DB table columns using database software independent and JDBC driver software independent procedure. JDBC driver software independent procedure, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Here is my whom, guys? End user. User is there. Here is my end user. End user. Tell me, guys, gives string values. Now, here we should convert it. Time value to timestamp object, date value to timestamp object. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys. Now tell me here. Here, what is the first one? Hmm. Java.sql.time. Okay, time. B time. Birth time is equal to. B time is equal to. What time, guys? B time is equal to. Okay, birth time is equal to. Birth time is equal to. Tell me here, what is this? Java dot SQL dot time dot value of. Time dot value of. We have a direct method about time dot value of. Uh, Time dot value of. What is that? Birth time. You have to give string birth time, Rabo. You have to give string birth time. So this will give me time object. Okay, guys. Next. Okay. Gives what, guys? Okay. Java dot SQL dot time object. Simply gives what? Java dot SQL dot time object. Similarly. No. Only time. Time format we have to give. Yeah, but it should be in what format? This conversion is possible only when 4 by HM, SS is format. But when it comes to birth date and time, Bob, birth date and time, there is a procedure to follow. What is that? Simple date format. SDF is equal to new simple date format of tell me, guys. Okay, DD MM 4 space HHMMSS. HHMMSS. Got it, my dear? Okay, right. First you will get java.util.date. Java.util.date. Tell me. Date, birth, date time. Util date, birth date time is equal to SDF dot parse. SDF dot parse. Tell me, guys. Okay, what is that? Date time. Let us assume date time. String date time. Array date time will hold. Okay. This will be there in which variable? P time variable. Let us assume. It is there in which variable? Let us assume date time variable. Okay, na boss. Okay. Yeah. From there, you will get Java dot data has come na. Okay. Long milliseconds is equal to UB date time. Long ms is equal to UB date time. UB date time dot get time. We converted everything into milliseconds. Understanding my statement, guys? We can apply timestamp only when it is in what? 4 by MMDD pattern. Since date is not there in 4 by MMDD pattern, that's why we have to go conversion, boss. Next, java.sql.timestamp. Java.sql.timestamp. SQ date time is equal to java.sql.timestamp of ms. MS means millisecond. By passing those milliseconds, we are able to get timestamp object. By passing those milliseconds, we are able to get milliseconds. Okay. Next, what we have to do about? Okay. PS dot set time parameter comma maybe one comma what object? Time object. What is the time object? B time object. PS dot set timestamp 2 comma what is there? Date time. Oh guys, new keyword is acha, here new is missing. You are right. Object creation is required. Here new. Okay. This will set value to JDBC driver na boss. This will set values to JDBC driver, right, boss? JDBC driver. Cool. So here is my database software. Database software. Database software. Okay, let us assume this time we have a MySQL. Why MySQL? Tell me why MySQL. In MySQL only we have an option to take only to insert date time. Oracle we don't have only to insert time. Time date is there, timestamp is there. Only to insert time is possible in my Oracle, not possible. Time of birth, time data type. Come on. Okay. Date time of birth. DTOB timestamp. Okay. It will be inserted in the pattern that is supported by underlying database software. Yeah, what is the time of birth, guys? What is the time of birth? 10:20, 45. Will come as it is. Here, what is there? 4 wise MMDD. 1990. MySQL supports what? 4 wise MMDD. 10:20 space 10:20 45. Got the point, guys? Yeah, it will be inserted in the pattern that is supported by underlying database. This is number one. End user giving input values is number one. Number two, those input values will be converted into time comma timestamp objects. Time comma timestamp objects. Understanding my statement, guys? Here java.sql.time object. Here what we are going to get? java.sql.timestamp object. Right now, boss? Saurya. Right, boss. Okay, that is number two. Number three, setting them to query parameters. Okay. Number four, internally they will be converted in the pattern that underlying database software needs. They will be converted in the pattern that underlying database software needs and will be inserted to DB table. Everyone getting my point there, guys? But we have to see this one practically now, boss. Conversions we have to do practically or not. Yeah, let's open. Can we store just as a string value? Okay. Storing date comma time values as string values in DB table columns is not recommended. Storing date comma time values in DB table columns is not good practice. Is not good practice because we cannot perform date comma time related arithmetic and logical operations. What, guys? arithmetic and logical operations. We cannot perform date, comma, time related arithmetic and logical operations on the string date, comma, time values. On the string date, comma, time values. Got it, guys? Okay. Can we do date of birth? I want to, age I want to calculate. That time this is possible, guys? Not possible. That's why we have to store everything separate. Yeah, go to basic example, guys. Go to basic example. Yeah, here I'll add one more thing. Time values conversion. What is another one? Values conversion test. Time values conversion test. We have to think about how to go for a time values conversion test. Okay, boss. Now, first of all, converting string time value to java.sql dot time object. Java.sql dot time. Yeah, this is my requirement. Yeah, first of all, tell me string T1 is equal to. Okay, T1 is equal to. Okay. 1025 45. What is the pattern, guys? STRIH. Yeah, tell me what is the pattern? HH, MM, SS. HH, MM, SS. Now tell me, we can convert directly, boss, and that is everyone prefers giving in this format only, right? Java.sql.time. Okay, SQ time. SQ time is equal to Java.sql dot time dot value. Time dot value. What is that? Straight away. We have a static method, Babu. Okay, the time should be in that pattern. Now, next one, sysout T. Sysout, yes, not T1, Babu. SQ time. Sysout SQ time. Sysout SQ time. Nice, boss. Click on it. See, 1025 45 has come now. Converted or not. Here is string, but here I am printing as what? Time object. Here I am printing as a time object. Done now, boss. Right. Okay. So entire credit should be given to this method. Static method. What method? Static method. Nice, boss. Next. Converting. Come on. Okay. String date comma time value to java.sql dot. Okay. Java.sql dot. Okay. First store, then convert. I'm is end user given time. End user always gives everything as string only, na boss. Timestamp object. Timestamp object, right? Tell me, guys. String dt1 is equal to 2010 1990 space 1025 45. What is the pattern, guys? What is the pattern? DD double M 4Y space HH MM SS. Okay, tell me. Simple date format SDF is equal to new simple date format of new simple date format. Uppercase MM month, lowercase MM minutes. You know that. DD MM 4Y. Tell me. HH SS MM SS. Got it now, boss? Tell me. Java.util.date UDT1 is equal to SDF.parse dt SDF.parse dt util1. This is util1. Okay, guys. Right now, I'm not interested in exception handling. Babu. Throws exception. Throws exception. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Array, parse is non-static. That's why you are calling on the object now, boss. Right. Okay. Next. What's the next one? Okay, we need a timestamp object. Timestamp. Tell me. Timestamp. SQ date time. SQ date time. Otherwise, SQDT1. Better one. SQDT1. What is this? New timestamp of UDT1 dot get time. And I am reducing one line, Rabab. UDT1 dot get time. UDT1 dot get time. UDT1 dot get time. Nice na, boss? Okay. What happen if you give MM in constructor of SDP1? Nothing will happen, Ram. Yeah, uppercase MM takes, this MM will be taken as minutes. If you give in lowercase minutes, sorry, basic common sense, Ra Babu. What happened? Month will be taken as a minute. And problems will come. Okay. Why simple date format when we have a date time? This one. Aryan Srinivas, this is simple date format is there to hold the pattern, and parse method is the bigger method who participate in communication. Okay, simple date format is for conversion. Use common sense, Aryan. Dirty fellow. Parse method, are you not seeing parse method? Are you looking at only class? You are not looking at this one. What is the input? DT1. What is DT1? What is getting? Util date and time object. Conversion it is doing. If you miss the last class, this kind of questions only will come, right? Dirty based fellow Aryan Srinivas. Parse method of simple date format will convert string to util date and time, right? Util date class object. Format method convert util date object to string. Remember those statements? Fellows. Missing classes and trying to show any conversion, only date, only time, date and time, if they are in string, if you want to convert into date object, java.util.date object, we have to go for simple date format class parse method. Yes, no, na? Aryan Srivastava, your name is like a very scientific name. But your thought process is very silly thought process. Everyone getting my point? Simple date format is responsible to convert only date, only time, date time of type string to java.util.date class object, right? And it can, what is parse method? Format method is reverse. Format method is for reverse purpose. Only time. SQL time. SQL time. SQL timestamp. SQDD1. SQDD. Hey, converted or not? Converted or not? We are getting SQL date and time or not? We are getting SQL date and time or not? Okay. If string date comma time value is in 4wise mmdd space HHMMSS pattern. 4wise mmdd HHMMSS pattern. Then it can be converted directly to java.sql.timestamp object. Java.sql.timestamp object without converting into Java. What is there? Util.date class object. Java.util.date class object. Are you with me, guys? But pattern should be what, boss? 4wise mmdd pattern. 4wise mmdd pattern. Okay, what is that? 1990, 10, okay, 23. 4wise mmdd pattern. 4wise mmdd. You guys, what the clarity was? Simple date format. Oh, there is no need of all these things, right? Oh, here, iPhone, Rabo. Right, boss. Direct. Now, this time you can convert directly. Java.sql.timestamp. SQDT2. Java.sql.timestamp dot value of DT2. Value of DT2. Is that clear, guys? Java.sql.timestamp SQDT2. Java.sql.timestamp.value of DT2. You guys, sys out SQDT2. Converted or not? Is there any need of simple date format this time? Is there any need of simple date format this time, guys? Not. Array, all these conversions I'm going to use in my application development. Okay. Okay. Only time this. Date and time of your choice pattern this, right? Date and time of 4wise mmdd space HH colon mm colon SS pattern means this. Everything is having its own importance. Everything is having its own importance. Right now, boss? Right. Okay, boss. Line number 14, what's happening? Line number 14. 14, what happening? Comment is there. Line number 14 is having comment. Line number 14 is having comment, Ra Babu. Okay. Super. People asking doubts about the comments also. Na? Hats off, Mr. Namrata Dev. Super. Okay. Here what we have taken, Ra Babu? String date, right? What is our target? To timestamp object, right? Where you want to convert timestamp object. So first of all, I am taking simple date format, telling that input date will be in this pattern. Input date will be in this pattern, right? Yes or no? Na? Okay. This is the pattern. Are input date pattern you are mentioning. Parse method will convert this string date into java.util.date class object or not. Super. But what I want to get, guys, timestamp object. My concentration is not on date object. My concentration is on what? Getting timestamp object, right? My focus is on what? Getting timestamp object. What do you say, guys? So first we got milliseconds representing this date and time. Those milliseconds we passed as an argument value to time. Okay, maybe I have not written separate line, Ra Babu. If you want, you can write like this also. ms is equal to udt1 dot get time. And that ms you can pass here. That ms you can pass here. Got it? That ms you can pass here. That ms you can pass here. Comfortable, guys? Got the clarity? Okay. Instead of that line, I have directly passed. Whatever come, that time. Okay. I think this I need not to explain. It seems if string date is there in 4 wise mmdd space colon colon ss pattern, it can be directly converted into what? Timestamp object by using value of method, which is a static method. Right now, boss? Yeah, static method. Okay, boss. Here, this is doing conversion, parse is doing conversion. Okay, note. The parse method of simple date format class. Simple date format class can convert only date or only time or okay or date comma time values of type string 2 java.util.date class options. Got it, guys? Okay, boss. Write a JDBC application to insert employee name. Yeah, pattern. Input date pattern is very important. Okay. Write a JDBC application to insert customer name. Okay. Bill amount. Okay. Date of birth. DOB. Only date. Okay. Time of purchase. Time of purchase. Are bill generation ra babu. Time of purchase. TOP. Only time. Only time. Come on, guys. Time of purchase. TOP. And both. Next and what, guys? And I want date of joining. Date and date comma time of membership. When he has become membership. Date comma time of membership. Okay. Time of membership. Membership I will take it. 1 minute. Order date and time. Order date comma time. To MySQL database software. To MySQL. MySQL is having all three data types now, boss. This is my requirement. By generating customer number dynamically. Customer number dynamically. Super na, boss. Step number 1. I don't want to ask from end user. Customer number should be generated dynamically. Step number 1. What is step number 1, guys? Create a DB table in MySQL database software having AI constraint. What a constraint, guys? Auto increment constraint. AI constraint on the PK column CN. Okay, nothing but we are making surrogate key column as PK column or not. Here we are making the surrogate key column as the PK column. A few days back we discussed this, na, boss? Few days back we discussed this or not? Okay. MySQL workbench, ra babu. MySQL workbench. Yeah, we'll discuss in Oracle also. First, let me do for MySQL. Alexa, activate balcony fan. Underscore info. Nice. What is the column, ra babu? CNO. CNO into PK. Primary key, unique key, right? AI. AI is very, very important. Not null, unique and not null. Okay. Next. CNAME. Varchar 2 of 25. Next. Bill amount. Bill amount. What is bill amount, guys? Bill amount to float. Bill amount to float. Next. Tell me what is next. DOB. DOB only date. DOB only date. Next. Time of purchase. TOP. Only time. Only time. Only time. Where can I see only time, ra babu? Is it right? Only time. Okay, boss. Date of joining. Date of joining. Order data. What is that? Order. Okay. Date of order. Okay. Order underscore date time. Order underscore date time. What is there, guys? Okay. Order underscore date time. Timestamp we should take now, boss. Yes. Timestamp. Timestamp is there, right? Okay. Windows Shift yes, Ra Babu. Shift yes. But here we should say apply. This is the table that is internally created, Ra Babu. This is the query that is used. Finish. Okay. This is the generated SQL. This is my generated SQL. Tell me, guys. Right click on logical DB. What is that? NTAJ. I can definitely bet with you people, no one will take. Okay, covering date, date and time values in, okay, in this much detail, Ra. Okay, this is very important after joining the company. Your day won't be completed without dealing with the date, comma, time values. Out of experience, I am giving this kind of scenarios to you people. Okay, right click on logical DB, NTAJ 414 DB1. Right, no, not right click, expand. Expand logical DB this. Right click on tables, new, new. Remaining everything is perfect. This is the table. Name of the table. Okay. Then what is there? Arrow apply, arrow X. Arrow apply, arrow X. Are we ready with the table now, boss? Right. Now let's develop the application. Let us develop the application. New class. New class. Step number 1 done. Step number 2. Develop the application having JDBs. Develop the application having JDBs. New guys, class guys, date time, insert test underscore MySQL. Here is the main method. Here is the main method. Try with resource, Ra Babu. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon MySQL colon 3 slashes. What is that? NTAJ 414 DB1. What is the username, guys? Root. What is the password, guys? Root. Username is root, password is control plus shift plus. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Next, prepared statement. PS is equal to Con dot prepare statement. Insert into customer. Insert into customer underscore query. We have to create a variable of that kind, guys. We have to wait first. Here we create a table. Private final static string. What is that, guys? Customer underscore query. Customer. Array, here how many columns we are having, Ra Babu? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I want to insert values to how many column? 5 column. Then we have to mention column names in the insert query or not. Then we have to mention column names in the insert query or not. Tell me, boss. When 6 columns are there, if you want to insert values in 5 columns, so definitely we have to mention column names in the insert query or not. Okay. Insert into customer underscore info. Customer underscore info. Tell me, CNAME, bill amount, CNAME, bill amount. Tell me. Yeah, no. When 6 columns are there, you want to insert into 5 columns. Then you have to mention those column names or not, boss. Definitely we need to mention those column names, right? DOB, TOP, order, date underscore time, values. How many question marks, guys? 5 questions. How many question marks, guys? 5 questions. CNAME, bill amount, DOB, TOP, order, date, comma, time, values. How many question marks, guys? I'm taking 5 question marks here. I'm simply using 5 question marks here, guys. Right, boss. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.info. Scanner of system.info. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.info. Try catch SQL exception SC. SC dot print stack. To handle unknown exception. Okay. Catch exception E. E dot print stack. E dot print stack. Okay. Cannot able to use MySQL workbench. First install, right? Dirty. First install, right? Did you install Mr. Vibhav? Vibhav? Tell me. If SC not equal to null. Nice, boss. String name is equal to null. Next one. DOB is equal to null. String DOB. Right. Next. DOB is equal to null. TOP is equal to null. Time of purchase is equal to null. Next one. Order. Array. Date of order. Date of order. Okay. Order DT is equal to null. Okay. All are string values. Now let's take string. I think bill amount we should take now, boss. Float bill amount. Nice, Ra Babu. Tell me. Sys out. Tell me. Sys out. Enter customer name. Name is equal to SC dot next. Oh, name is already declared now, boss. Next. Sys out. Now tell me next one. Enter customer bill amount. Enter customer bill amount. Bill amount is equal to SC dot next float. Next, enter date of birth. Date of birth. We are Indian now, we try to get everything in Indian format. Right, boss? Date of birth in which format? Indian format. SDOB is equal to SC dot next. Enter customer name, customer bill amount. Next one. Time of purchase. HH colon, colon, SS. STOP is equal to SC dot next. Sys out. Tell me next one. Order date, comma, time. Order date, comma, time. Yes, order date DT is equal to SC dot next. SC dot next. Order date, comma. But here, what is the format I am expecting, guys? We are Indian. We expect everything in Indian format only. Otherwise, can we try this? DD slash MM slash YY slash. Yeah, we can take this slash also. Okay. Why next line, Ra Babu? Acha, space is there. Fine. Yeah, MM this. It should be next line, Babu. We have to enter space, na? That's why next. You should enter space. That's why next. Okay. Next, what is there? Convert string DOB to java.sql.date class. Okay. Is after next flows, next work definitely works. What is there, guys? Convert string DOB to java.sql.date class object. Java.sql.date class object. Clear, my dear? Got the clarity? Come on, are you with me? Convert string DOB to java.sql.date class object. Come on, guys. Okay. First of all, we have to convert into util date. So SDF was equal to new simple date format of DDMM4, guys. Input date pattern, java.util.date UDOB is equal to SDF.parse SDOB. Nice. SDOB. Next, after that, what next, guys? Java.sql.date SQDOB is equal to, okay, a new java.sql.date UDOB.get time. You have to pass milliseconds now, boss. Yeah, here what is this? String date to util date. Util date to, come on, util date to SQL date. Okay, done was. Convert string TOP. TOP means time of purchase. Time of purchase. Tell me java.sql.time. Java.sql.time. Got it, guys? Got it, guys? Tell me. Java.util.time. Sorry, java.sql.time. Time. Okay. Easy. Time. What is that? SQTOP. SQTOP is equal to, tell me, guys. Java dot SQL dot time dot of time dot value of ST. I think you are using your common sense. Whatever I have explained earlier, same thing I am putting in the coding. I am not directly giving these conversions, Ra Babu. Already we have written small example code for this, right? Already we have written small example code for this, right now, boss? Convert string order date time to java.sql.timestamp. Java.sql.timestamp. Yes, my dear. First, what should I do? You have to mention the pattern. What is the pattern we decided to, guys? MM 4Y space HH MM colon SS. Cool, guys. First, we have to set the pattern, Rabab. First, we have to set the pattern. Next, then we have to go for conversion. SDF1, SDF2. Here, what is there? U order DT. U order DT. Okay. Here, what is this? S order DT. Nice, na boss? Okay, parse. Next. Okay. You have taken variable name. If you don't remember variable name, what's the user about? What's the user about? Someone say variable name you should remember, sir. Is your variable name only, right? Dirty. Java.sql.timestamp. Okay. SQ order DT. SQ order DT. SQ order DT. Tell me, guys. SQ order DT. New java.sql.timestamp of what is that? U order DT dot get time. U order DT dot get time. Till date to timestamp. SQL timestamp function. Got it, my dear? Understood? Till date to SQL timestamp. Okay. HHMMMS. 33rd line. 33rd line. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is for our reference only. Then boss, we are ready with all the stuff, Raghav. We are ready with all the stuff. Set values to SQL query params. If P is not equal to null, if P is not equal to null, all the required k now was PS dot set string 1 comma name. 1 comma name. PS dot come on guys. PS dot set date 2 comma 1 comma name to set data set to float. First set to float. Set to float 2 comma below. PS dot set date 3 comma SQDOB. Next one, set time 4 comma SQ. What is that? SQ, what is that, Ra? SQTOP. It is picking up automatically. Set. Tell me, set order date, set timestamp. Okay. 5 comma SQR order DT. Order DT. Tell me next. Execute the code. Execute the SQL. Int count is equal to PS dot. After all, it's a 9. After all, it's a non-select query, right? If count to double equal to 0, this out. Record not insert. Else, this out. Record insert. Record insert. End of the main method. End of the class. End of the main method. End of the class. Comfortable, guys? Got the clarity, my dear? I think all set. Shall we run the application now? Shall we run the application now, my dear? Enter customer name, Karan. Bill amount, 7,000 or 70,000. Date of birth, 2010-1990. Any number you can give. Time of purchase. Time of purchase. Okay. 10:45, 67. 67 means 34 seconds. Okay. Order date and time, Ra Babu. Here one issue is there. I will tell the issue. Yeah. Array, you have to put one dummy next line method. You have to put one dummy next line method, right? I think in Core Java you studied that. In Core Java you might have studied that. No. You have to put one dummy next line method. First will be ignored, na? Karan. Okay, bill amount 40,000. That's a bug in a scanner race. Don't worry about yourself. 10/20/1991. Time of purchase 6:20, 6:45, 34 seconds. Okay, now it's coming properly. Check it out. DD, order date and time 2011, 2014, otherwise 2021 space. Okay. 456, 7. Okay. 34 seconds. I think all are given. Only date is given. Only time is given. Date and time is given. Let's see what happens. Okay. Customer info table does not exist. I am hurted about it. This much hard work we have done, and it is saying the table is not there. What is the table name we have taken, Rababu? What is the table name we have taken? Ayo, in the customer R is missed, Ra 9. Fine. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens, Rababu. Nothing to worry. Okay. बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटे छोटे गलती होता है, right? Fine. Run it. Okay, I have a solution for this, Rababu. Okay, name Karan. Paste it. Bill amount 50,000. Okay, fine. So I don't have patience to remember and type everything. Let me paste. Because remember, typing like formats. Okay, nice. Right, was copy this, paste it. Record inserted. Successfully inserted or not? Come to this. This is most important, Ran. This is most important. Current 5,000 fine. Date of birth in the pattern that MySQL supports, not the pattern you give. MySQL supports what? 4YMMDD, right? TOP in the pattern that MySQL supports. HHMMSS, here same. Okay. Timestamp in the pattern that MySQL supports. 4y-MM-DD-HH:MM:SS in the pattern that MySQL supports. Did you realize? Did you realize, guys? I think, and moreover, this came automatically. This came automatically. Customer name came automatically because of CNO is taken primary key column and also applied with what? AI constraint, auto increment constraint. AI applied. That means auto increment is applied. Right now, boss? Auto increment constraint is applied. I think you thoroughly enjoyed, guys. Nirmal Kumar in Oracle sequence, right? In MySQL auto increment. In Oracle, we should use sequence. In MySQL, it is auto increment, right? How can you differentiate whether it is AM or PM? It will store in what? 24 hours format, na boss. 17, 18 means 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay. It is in 24 hours format. Timing in 24 hours format. You see your small adjustments, wala. Okay. I said, na, it will do small adjustments. Tarun. Customer bill amount 5,000. DOB. Okay. DD 20. Okay. 1990. Adjustments are possible, I said, na boss, right? Okay. HH 24 na 24 hours. So I have given 25. MM 70. SS. Okay. SS also 78. Automatic adjustments will happen, Ramo. Okay. This I will give right away. 20, 20, 22. Okay. Tell me. 30. Okay. 1 minute. 12 seconds. 14th hour. 56. Here I am keeping as it is. I think I already said illegal argument. It is not allowing. For time, it is not allowing. Okay. For time, it is not allowing. Only for Okay. For time it is not allowing illegal argument. Acha, we are using value of na? Sorry. In value of automatic adjustment is not there. In value of automatic adjustment is not there, right? Remember that. In value of automatic adjustment is not there. Okay. Tarun, guys. Bill amount 50,000, guys. Okay. Here 20. Okay. 34, 20, 90, 90. Here adjustment is there. Wherever value of is there, no parse will do automatic adjustment. But value of will not do automatic adjustment. 14, 30, 56. Now here parse again, parse came into picture. Here automatic adjustment is there. 20 slash 10 slash, okay, 1990, 2022, 2021, HH 10, 45, 60, okay, 50, enter. Record insert. Check it out. Automatic adjustments are taking place or not. Yesterday we discussed it, Babu. Other day we discussed this, right? Other day we discussed this. But wherever value of is there, automatic adjustments of excess content will not be there. Okay, Bishwaranjan, in Eclipse we have a Bagra, Babu. First next line will become dummy. Next line content only will be read seriously. So that's a bug in Eclipse. Okay. Yeah. While studying core Java, your faculty might have told that. Forgot, huh? Okay, guys. Copy this. Paste it. Array, can you try in Aracle? That is the assignment. Execute the same application in Aracle. Execute the same application in Aracle. That is your assignment. I will talk in the classroom, but one problem is there. In Aracle, we don't have only time data type. Only time data type. So what should I do? Array Seti Navin, Aracle means you may use SQL prompt or SQL developer. That is your choice. That is your choice. Yes, Aracle and SQL developer is not separate, right? Dirty fellow. Muddy fellow. Okay. Right, guys. SDF dot this is right. There is value of. Here is parse, here is this. Okay. Here set date, set time, set timestamp. Sir, in Aracle, what should I do, sir? In Aracle, all the three places for time also you take timestamp. For date and time also you take timestamp. Clear, guys? Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? For time also you take timestamp. For date and time also you take a timestamp. Is that clear, guys? For both places you take timestamp. And when you are attending class, you got a poster, we got a poster to attend one workshop. Okay. Viswajit, in Aracle we have to take the support of sequence. In Aracle we have to take the support of sequence, right? Today one workshop is happened na boss. I did not paste that. Everyone, please take the photograph of this. Everyone, please take the photograph of this. This is for every student. This is for every student. Spring batch will start in the month of September. Everyone, please take the photograph of this. This is the Zoom ID. Okay. Abhi Dode, tomorrow you have a 9 o'clock session. After tools used in modern software development. End-to-end knowledge of tools used in modern software development will be given. We don't take up any tool, but we will try to get all the tools knowledge, required tools knowledge, end-to-end tools knowledge. JSP is also there. JSP is also there. Namrata Dev, whatever you studied in Core Java, whatever you studied in JDBC, you focus on them. Focus on them. This does not need any password. This does not need any password. It is common for everyone. Everyone take the photograph. This is for everyone. Even outsiders also can attend. Even outsiders also can attend. Parallel to advanced Java, you can take Spring course. Not a problem. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Tomorrow, assignment is what, guys? Try to develop same application using my Oracle. I will tell in the classroom, but you try on your own. Sequence you should use. For time also timestamp. For date and time also timestamp we should use. Right? Okay. Once insertion is over, then we will go for retrieving part. Got it, guys? Everyone thoroughly and